Yeah. Hello. This week is my birthday week, and it means I'm a little bit older than I used to be. I thought to celebrate my birthday, we're gonna make some cake. I bought a bunch of these when I was in Japan. There's two types. I think the most popular one is the pop and cooking one, and this one is called the Happy Kitchen. I'm going to attempt to create this thing following all the Japanese instructions at the back. Translation! Step 1. Open the box. There's strawberries on it. Can you see it? I'm guessing this is the cake mold. I cheated in my Japanese test in high school. Oh! Okay, so I'm meant to decorate the cake on this little middle bit thingy. Cut. Don't cut your booty, cause that's self-mutilation. Decoration cake sheet. This part here is actually the measuring cup. See, most of this I learned from, what's her face? What's the name of the channel? I'm gonna point here and then the link is gonna magically appear. Either the link or the name. I'm so sorry if you're watching this and then I forgot the name of your channel. I'm pretty sure her name's Megan. Is it Megan? Megan? I don't know. She's American. Dude, I can hear you. Your gyrating is very loud. Now that I've got all these molds cut out, well, the mold and this mold and the cup measurer, the little measuring thingy, it's time to get started. Judging by the picture, we're using this mix and this mix. I'm guessing the bigger one goes into the bigger mold and the smaller one goes into the smaller mold. Orange one in. No, white powder, not for snorting. Now add 2 cups of water. So come here, my chihuahua cup. 1, 2. I've even got my dainty pinky up. No, 2. Let's start stirring. Stirring. More stirring in the corners. Now onto the smaller piece. If I make a mistake, I'm just gonna go cry in a corner. Which goes to prove that I don't belong in a kitchen. Empty it out into this tiny mold. Yes, you want to be the next Martha Stewart, but not in a way where you end up in prison for tax evasion. 1 miniature cup. So 1 cup of water. Stirring stuff, making my own miniature birthday cake. Cool. So this is the kind of consistency you want, and not too runny consistency, nice and thick and creamy. Right now I'm spreading it out evenly. 10 minutes in the microwave. That did not end well. This is why I've been banned from the kitchen. So, silly me forgot to hit record because I'm a peanut. So all I've done is pretty much made the icing, just like in my life, fail at everything. But when we do fail, we still carry on. We don't give up. So what you do is that you hide all your failure behind icing. Had to make the little jelly strawberries, so use the small pink packet, pink for strawberry. Mixed 1 scoop of water in there. Something about being put on this part here. Just ignore my dogs who are barking. I don't know what they're barking at. Just keep swimming. Alright, leave that to set. It's time to make the pink decorative icing that goes around it. Nice. 1 scoop of failure water. Oh, it turns pink. Oh, it looks kind of sparkly. And then now I'm meant to use the piping bag. Da-da-da. Yeah. Go down. Okay. And then supposedly I have to snip the end. Scissors, come on. Now it's time to just cover the ugliness with something prettyful. Let me zoom in on the cake. Look at that. One strawberry. Tears of failure. Whether they're meant to be strawberries. And M for mesh. Voila! Now it's time to taste the cake. Mmm. Mmm. Success.